Hello and welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making tuna casserole. Hold it. Don't go anywhere. Let's get started. Okay, I have my water boiling. And today I'm going to add some salt. You always wait till your water boils. Starts to rolling boil before you add your salt. And I have some egg noodles. These are extra wide. And I'm only going to use like about half of this because anything more than that would be too much for me. Gotta bring that water back up right quick. Okay, it's back up to a rolling boil. And I'm going to add, that's enough, that's about half. You know, but if you're going to do a whole casserole, full casserole, then add the whole bag. I'm going to add a little bit more. Be sure to stir them so they don't stick. And here I have some mushrooms, just some leftover mushrooms. These are optional. I've already rinsed them and everything from the other use. You don't have to use these, but I'm going to throw them in. Waste not, want not. I'm just going to let them cook in here in the boiling water. Yeah. Let them get tender right along with the noodles. I'm only going to cook these noodles and these mushrooms for about 4 minutes or until tender. You can keep checking them if you want, like every minute or so. So it's been 4 minutes, and I'm just going to remove them, put them in this bowl here. Okay, I have 2 cans of tuna. I like it, the tuna in oil, because for me, the tuna in water is flavorless. So we're going to add this in. You can drain as much as you can off. That's what I do. And or you can leave the oil on. It's up to you. Up to you. You might even like it with, you know, with water. And always wash your cans off, your tops off. You never know what's been resting on top of there. I'm just putting a lot of tuna in. This half a pack probably really don't need it, but considering that I like tuna, just adding some extra. Toss that a little bit. I'm adding some pepper. And I have some onions that I've chopped, and I have some leftover chives too. Same thing, onions. You can use the chives or not. But I'm going to add some onions in. We'll just go ahead and dump the whole little bag up in there. Smooth that around some. Oops, somebody jumped overboard. Get right back in there. Break that chunk up. Smells delicious. Okay, so now I have some frozen peas. Let me open these. it. Let's see. Might need a little more. And we're coming along. Let me heat up my. Need a few more heats. Yep. I have some mild cheddar, some shredded. If I can get it open, give me a minute. Okay, there we are. And I add some into here. That's as much or as little that you like. Trying not to break my noodles. You're looking good, y'all. I'm gonna add some more cheese, but cream of mushroom. See how much of this we need. Probably about a half a can. We'll see. We will see. Who loves tuna? I do, I do. I love tuna. I can really overdo it on tuna. Some tuna and crackers. I can probably eat a couple cans, you know, made into a salad, of course, with onions and mayo and different things. I can do that. I can eat that up. I have to really control myself. Let me see. I'm going to add some more cheese. That's just me. And I think I'm going to add the rest of this. Cream of mushroom soup. Yep. We'll be having us some tuna casserole. Oops, I have my oven heating on 375. Let's get that all mixed up. We're going to get our bowl and put it in. Then we're going to make our topping. Just a little something extra. You really don't have to. But I am. Okay, let me get a bowl. A baking dish. I'm going to make a topping. Just a little bit to go across the top of the casserole. Put some cheese in here first. That's just breadcrumbs. And I'm going to add a little bit of cheddar into that topping. And some melted butter. We're just going to crumble it over the top. Oh, you need a little more breadcrumbs. And some more cheddar. Okay. I'm going to put it into a glass bowl because I want you to see how it looks when it bakes up. Ooh, this is heavy. Hold on. Okay. I want you to be able to see. Just do it this way. Make sure you mix your casserole well. Get everything through there. Try not to tear up your noodles though. Looking good, y'all. This is like one of those spaghetti meals. Last a couple days if you don't have a whole lot of mouths to feed. But then if you do, this is a good way to feed them. Just the one dish. So you don't work yourself so hard. Yeah. Get that in there. Sit that right there. And then we're just gonna straighten it out here. Make it look pretty. And so now, put that there. We're gonna take these breadcrumbs and cheddar and butter. I'm just gonna sprinkle over the top. And you put the butter in so that it can cook, brown up, and get a little crunchy. And like I said, you don't have to add this. If you don't want this, don't add it. Whatever you don't like, take it out. Make it your own. Make the recipe your own. Yeah. Okay, we almost have that done. And then we're going to get it into the oven and let it cook probably about 35 to 40 minutes. We will see. Meanwhile,
this one time out of about, I don't know, 70 tickets, 100 tickets. And no. All right, down here at the bottom, we're looking to match lucky numbers to your numbers. Get a money bag to win double. Get a 5x to win 5 times the prize. Here we go. Looking for 4, 12, 19, 22, 39, 40. 4, 12, 19, 22, 39, 40. Last row. And we got a double. Alright. Got that doubler. Now there's no $40 winner, so it'll be at least $50 because there are no fake multipliers on this ticket. So this will be at least a 25 for 50.
not trying to encourage anyone to gamble. I just watch shows like this sometimes. I just enjoy it.
Alright, so we're at
Thought I'd share with you.
30, 60, 70, 120 back.
They go out and buy like $500 worth of scratch-offs. And sometimes it does them good, and sometimes they lose a lot.
Not bad. A little ahead of myself there. Strawberry, pineapple, pineapple.
Let's watch him do one more while our casserole is cooking. The bacon in the oven. One more. Terrible. Terrible. Usually, when I buy them, if it doesn't start off with some winners, it's going to end up losing. First couple of scratch-offs, I'd be discouraged. See what I'm saying? Okay, that's cooked for about 40 minutes on 375. We got that top nice and brown. And it's still really hot. I want you to see how it cooked, like around the sides and whatnot. That's why I put it in the glass dish, so you can see how it cooked up. Yep. Okay. Take a little bit out for you, so that you can see. That top is so crunchy. Did you hear the crunch? Yeah. That's pretty hot. I was going to taste it, but there you go. Let me taste this a little. That's pretty good, though. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate your company and your staying. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. And if you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up? If you didn't like the video, could you give me a thumbs up? Could you share? Subscribe if you haven't. Tap that bell if you haven't. And please comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it and that's all. Boop. Later.